In this video, I want to share some CSS tips to help you make your Huzzaz video galleries look even better, no matter if a user is looking at your site through a phone, tablet, laptop, or different size windows on their desktop. To do this, we are going to use CSS media queries. This will let us define rules for how big our video gallery will be depending on the size of the screen. First, let's look at how a video gallery will look normally on different size screens. I'm using Firefox, which has a tool that allows you to simulate different screen sizes and see what the dimensions are. To get to it, go to Tools, Web Developer, and Responsive Design View. As you can see, when I make the window narrower, the gap between the text and the video gallery gets larger. This is because the height of the video gallery is staying the same even though everything inside of it is getting smaller. We can make adjustments to the height at different screen sizes by using CSS media queries. Depending on the theme or CSS of your website, you can add rules for the video gallery that coincide with the theme breakpoints. But you can add as many rules as you want and wherever you want. I'm going to keep it simple and just stick to the major breakpoints for this particular theme. To find out what height I should use, I'm going to use the Inspect Element tool. Right-click on the video gallery and then click on Inspect Element. Find the div that has a class Huzzaz wrapper and click on it. This is the element that we will be modifying with CSS. I can manually adjust the height of this element and see what it will look like in real time. The current height for this screen size is fine. At 1199 pixels, the gap suddenly gets bigger because the video gallery gets smaller. Let's find a new height for the video gallery at this screen size. If we make the height too small, we can see that there is an overlap between the video gallery and the text. 750 pixels looks to be like a good height at this screen size. Let's do this again at 991 pixels. And one more time at 640 pixels, which will accommodate most smartphones. Remember, you can choose the breakpoints at your own discretion. If you need help deciding, you can do a Google search for CSS media queries to find common breakpoints. Once you have the breakpoints and the respective video gallery heights written down, we can now write the CSS media queries into our CSS style sheet. We're going to start with the rule for the smallest screen size, which would be for a smartphone. At Media Only Screen, specify the Huzzaz wrapper class and give it a height of 550 pixels. Make sure you make it important so that it overrides all the other styles. Next, we will add a rule that defines the height for the next size up, which would be for a tablet. At Media Only Screen and min width 640 pixels. This basically says that if the screen size is at least 640 pixels, then make the height of the Huzzaz wrapper class 650 pixels. We're going to do the same for the next two breakpoints. Let's save it. And now we have an even more responsive video gallery on our website.